Manipur amasung Mizoram ki state bird Mrs. Humes Fison Manipur da nongin haina khangnaba uchek asi ki matangda amasung uchek asi mangtanaba Ukhrul district ki Jasami khunda ningthina conservation tawri basi ki matangda yangminase Mrs. Humes Fison nongin asi maru waina Manipur Mizoram Arunachal Pradesh Jaina ki Yunnan province amasung northern Myanmar da fangba yamna nanba colorful oiba amasung potisai su chawba uchek amani Yamna fachapa uchek ase ahanba waina British administrator Sir A.O. Hume na 1881 da record tawki loina na mahaki nupi ki ming da malem da khanghani 1989 da R.K. Ranapir Singh ki chief ministership matamda nongin kaupa uchek ase Manipur ki state bird oirakani haina declare tawki 1989 ase Manipur ki tamakti symbol ki matang da yamna historic oiba jahi ama oi maramdi state bird khaknatana sangai issue state animal oirakani haina jahi atu da government na lothokpani Laibak thina haibatare public ki conservation awareness watpaki nongin uchek ki masing se thina hanthakhrapani athu kitamak International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN na Mrs. Humes Fison nongin uchek asi 1994 da red list da haptuna endangered species haina lothoki tangkhru sing na nongin uchek asi da diktaren kauyi ahara aman sing na wari ripata diktaren ki fachapa kaya haiki State bird nongin ase Ukhrul district ki awang maikairom tariba khun sing maru oina Jasami Shirui Razai ki umang sing da maru oina thangna tuna le Thaina ki matamda conservation awareness kaya watram rashu uchite conservation awareness si mathang leikhre haiba yai Ukhrul district the government khak natana public nashu nongin conservation ki tamak thabak ning thina paikhat pa hawkhre Seki marakta Jasami da Baikhat Riba Mrs. Humes Community Reserve Shishu Ama Oe. Jasami ki Mrs. Humes Fison Conservation Si 2024 ki January 23 da Malem da Mingchat Kraba Wildlife Photographer Tritiman Mukherjee na inaugurate tawpi. Loina na Jasami Village Council makhada ningthina maintain tawton le. Seki matang da Manipur ki state bird kannapa Jasami ki Mrs. Humes Fison Conservation Initiative tawbiba aikhoina gauroi kadaba Dr. Wayepi Mekreshiu ashum hai.
In Jan 2023, I, Wepe N. Mekrishu, a native of Jasami village in Ukhrul district, Manipur, in close collaboration with the local community, took the initiative to establish the Mrs. Humes Fison Community Reserve. This grassroots conservation effort emerged from a growing awareness of the urgent need to preserve the natural habitat and biodiversity of the region, particularly to protect the endangered Mrs. Humes Fison, a species symbolically and ecologically significant to our region. The process began with community consultations, ecological surveys, and the voluntary mobilization of local youth and elders who shared a common concern over deforestation, habitat degradation, and the visible effects of climate change. Through collective will and local leadership, we demarcated and protected a section of our forests as a community-managed reserve, emphasizing ecotourism, sustainable livelihoods, and environmental education as key pillars of this initiative. This conservation effort was not only about protecting a rare bird species, but also about reviving our cultural responsibilities as stewards of the land and ensuring that future generations inherit a living, thriving ecosystem.
Jasami da khuncha sing na hothokraba Mrs. Humes Community Reserve asi maru oina state bird nongin uchek ki khak natana on larger scale nature habitat amasung biodiversity kannapani Aikhoina ningsingba yai Jasami asi Nagaland da tainaraga leiba Manipur ki township amani nongin conservation hothokpaka loina na border township aduda eco-tourist machine kumsi ningthina handkhat khraba uyi loina na Manipur ki state bird nongin ki machine shu shoitana handkhat ramakani haina thachai Jasami ki khuncha sing na state bird kanapa biodiversity balance down pa amasung ecotourism phana pa tawri pasi Manipur ki tamakti yam namaru oipa role model ama oi